This is my blink alternating Arduino. This is the code. I just added in another variable and then added that variable in below. I set the 7 for high, I set the 11 for low, then I delayed that for 1,000 milliseconds. At that point, the program changes over, input 7 as a low, 11 as a high, delayed it for 1,000 milliseconds. Boom, loop back around because of that and starts again. So now we'll run the simulation. There you go, blinking red then green. So either Merry Christmas or stop and go or whatever you want. That is my circuit. Thank you.